Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get money off your Cash App at Walmart. If you don't have your Cash App card with you, there's still a simple way to access your funds directly through Walmart. Also, later in the video, I'll share one of my favorite services for sending money internationally with low fees. To get started, open your Cash App and connect your preferred bank account if you haven't already done so. You can do this by tapping on your profile icon in the top corner of the app, selecting Add Bank Account, and following the instructions shown on your screen. Next, make sure your Cash App balance feature is enabled. Once that's set up, go to the Cash section in the app and generate a QR code for the amount you want to withdraw. After that, visit a Walmart location that has a Walmart Money Center Express kiosk. At the kiosk, choose the cash withdrawal option and scan the QR code you created in Cash App. Then simply follow the instructions displayed on the screen to complete the transaction. Once the process is finished, you can check your Cash App balance to confirm that the withdrawal was successful. It's a pretty simple method and works well if you need access to your money without having your Cash App card available. And if you're looking for a reliable way to send money internationally, I personally recommend MoneyGram. You can transfer money directly from your smartphone or use one of their many physical locations across the US and Canada. Check the link in the description to learn more.